Hey everybody, I got a request from YouTube user EdWPT. He wanted to see Ch50020 and Ch50000. So, I know I'm sorry about the delay, I've been busy making sure these both have belts. Okay, good, they do. Little history behind each one. Found this one on eBay a few years ago. This one I got from another collector. I've always loved the look of the 520 with a wraparound headlight and the LEDs. I couldn't justify spending almost $300 for the 520 on a vacuum site. Excuse me, my jaw's popping a bit there. I found this thing, I'm like, it's probably the closest thing I'll ever get, so I went with it. And years later, I got this one, and I think they look really good together. So, I've got some room freshener, carpet deodorizer. This is vanilla scent. And this is the stuff I recommend. I do not recommend using extremely fine particles because those will coat your bearings and eventually ruin the vacuum. So, I'd also like to point out, this one has a regular brush roll, this one has a wooden brush roll, so there's a little bit of a noise difference. And here we go. I'm not doing that, it's blowing itself. The one thing with these that I'm really not a fan of is that power switch placement. See, like, you're standing behind it like that, you know, especially in a commercial setting like an office building, that'd be pretty awkward. You know, they put handle switches on the older ones, like right up here, which is where it should be. At least the sanitaires, see the foot switch is a little less awkward. But what I do like with these is that they have the pigtail cords, and if something happens to the cord, you can run down to a hardware store, get a $20 cord or $15, whatever the hell they are, plug it in, and you're good to go. So, now we'll do this one. Okay, I think that 50,000 kicked the 520's ass. I guess the Cleveland Wood products makes a difference, but maybe the belt on this one's starting to go. I'll look into that later. And here's a headlight shot. Well, there you go. As usual, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.